Imagine this. 30 days from now, you're not just living paycheck to paycheck. You're not just surviving every 15th and 30th of the month. You're actually earning from 3 income streams working quietly in the background. And the best part, you don't need tech skills. You don't need experience. You don't need a big capital. You just need a plan. And the next 30 days. Today, I'm going to show you 3 income streams you can build in 30 days, step by step, even if you're busy, tired, or starting from zero. If your goal this year is to finally learn how to earn money, build income streams, create extra income, and stop relying on salary alone, this is your video. So let's make this your turning point. Ready? Welcome back to our channel, where we teach you how to earn money, build income streams, and create extra income that gives you flexibility, freedom, and choices. Today's episode is all about side hustles, beginner-friendly income, how to make money online, and passive income that you can start even with no skills and no tech background. If you feel stuck, if you're tired of depending on one job, and if you're ready to build something that grows month after month, you're in the right place. Here's the truth. Most people think income streams are only for influencers, tech geniuses, or entrepreneurs. But the real secret? The easiest and fastest income streams today can be done using your phone, your existing life experience, and your ability to communicate. You don't need coding. You don't need editing mastery. You don't need years of training. You just need to know which income streams work and which ones you can build in 30 days. And later in this video, I'll walk you through a day-by-day plan for each one, so you know exactly what to do every week. Let's dive into income stream number 1. Income stream number 1, the micro help service. Let's start with my favorite beginner-friendly income stream. These are simple, fast, low-energy tasks you can offer to people who are busy, overwhelmed, or stressed. And yes, you can build this income stream in 30 days, even if you have no tech skills, no experience, and no portfolio. Because micro help is built on small tasks, not big projects. Examples of micro help: calendar organization for busy people, travel booking assistance, market research surveying options for someone, simple Canva birthday greetings, price comparisons for people planning events, organizing files or receipts, reminders and follow-ups, customer chat replies for small shops, transcribing voice notes. These are actual paid services people need every day. And because they're quick, simple, and low stress, they're ideal for people who have no time for side hustles, are burnt out but need extra money, or feel overwhelmed by complicated online jobs. Let's break down why this works. People today are tired, busy, and overstimulated. That means they're willing to pay for simple tasks they don't want to do. And you can do these tasks using just your phone. No tech skills needed. How much can you earn? 200. 600 pesos per task. 1,000. 3,000 pesos per half-day project. 5,000. 8,000 pesos per month if someone hires you on retainer. 30-day build plan. Week 1, list 10 tasks you can do. Pick the easiest 3. Create a simple Google form offering your services. Week 2, post your offer on FB groups. Need simple help? I'm available. Message small business owners. Week 3, start receiving your first tasks. Deliver fast and over-communicate. People love reliability. Week 4, turn your best clients into monthly retainers. Congratulations. You now have your first income stream. Income stream number 2. Resell digital simplicity. This is one of the fastest growing ways to earn extra income without needing high-level skills. This is not digital products like courses or ebooks. This is reselling simple, functional digital items people already need, such as budget templates, planners, checklists, meal plans, life trackers, worksheet packs, journaling prompts, habit trackers. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need to be a content creator. And you definitely don't need a big following. Templates can be made using Canva free, duplicated, and turned into digital items that solve real problems. This income stream is perfect if you're dealing with: I feel stuck on the same salary for years. I'm shy or introverted. I want a side hustle I can do quietly at home. Because digital reselling is quiet, flexible, and can be done even after work. How much can you earn? 80 to 50 pesos per item. 2,000 to 6,000 pesos per month as a beginner. 10,000 to 20,000 pesos as you build more items. Why this works? People love tools that simplify their lives. And done-for-you templates are lifesavers for anyone who's busy, stressed, or overwhelmed. 30-day build plan. Week 1. Create 3 simple templates people actually want. Keep it clean and functional. No need for fancy designs. Week 2. Open a Shopee or Etsy store. Upload your templates with clear product photos. Week 3. Create 5 new templates. Run at 50 promo to get your first 5 buyers. Week 4. Bundle your top 3 templates. Your income stream becomes semi-passive once uploaded. Income stream number 3. Story-based beginner freelancing. Income stream number 3 is perfect for people who say, I don't have the confidence. I don't have experience. I can't do freelancing. You can. Because this version of freelancing doesn't require skills, just your story. This includes services such as writing product descriptions, rewriting someone's bio or about me, writing captions for small shops, summarizing videos, creating simple scripts, writing heartfelt messages for announcements, creating brand stories for small businesses. Why is this powerful? Because everyone has a story, and businesses need story-based content that feels human, not AI-generated. This is beginner freelancing that uses your experiences, emotions, and insights, not technical skills. Perfect for people who feel broke but want to start earning, intimidated by online skills, scared to start a side hustle, lost or stuck for years in the same job, burnt out but still need extra money. How much can you earn? 300 to 800 per caption set, 500 to 2,000 per script, 1,000 to 5,000 per brand story. 30-day build plan. Week 1. Choose one writing service you can offer. Create 3 practice samples using small imaginary businesses. Week 2. Message small business owners. Say you're offering a simple, story-based writing service. Week 3. Deliver high-quality emotional writing. Ask for testimonials. Week 4. Turn your clients into repeat customers. Boom. 3rd income stream. So now you have a micro-help service, a digital simplicity shop, and story-based freelancing. 3 different income streams you can build in 30 days. 3 ways to earn, even if you're scared, shy, tired, or starting from nothing. Here's the truth. Most people don't fail because the idea is bad. They fail because they don't know what to do first, what to do next, or how to build momentum without drowning in overwhelm. Right now, I'm giving you a step-by-step, beginner-friendly, zero-tech 30-day roadmap. This is the clarity you've been looking for. Welcome to Week 1, also known as the Foundation Week. This week is all about clarifying the exact services and digital items you'll offer, choosing your simplest path, and eliminating confusion. That confusion stops 90% of people from ever starting. But not you. Not after today. Day 1. Choose your 3 offers. Yes. Only 3. Why? Because too many options equal sign burnout before you begin. You'll pick 1 micro-help service. Example. I organize files and calendars. 1 digital product type. Example. Weekly planners and budgeting templates. 1 story-based writing offer. Example, caption writing for small businesses. Day 2, identify your audience. Your ideal clients are usually busy professionals, small business owners, students, overwhelmed parents, employees stuck at one salary for years. Day 3, create your first samples. Just 3. 5 examples, not a portfolio, not a website, just samples. Why? Because one of the biggest pain points is, I'm scared because I don't have experience. Samples are experience. Day 4. Prepare your simple offer page. Use Google Docs or Google Forms. Write what you offer, your price, how long it takes, how clients can pay, how they can contact you. That's it. That's your store. Day 5 to 7. Practice delivering fast. Speed matters more than perfection. Most clients want responsiveness, clarity, and reliability, not fancy skills. Week 1 ends here. By now, you have chosen your income streams and built the foundation. You're officially ahead of 95% of people who never begin. Week 2, aka Visibility Week, is all about making your offers visible. Day 8 to 9, join Facebook groups. Look for Online Jobs PH, Freelance Beginners, Small Business Owners groups, Virtual Assistant groups, community groups in your city. Post something like, "Hey everyone, I'm offering simple micro-help tasks for busy people." File organizing, simple travel research, reminders, basic scheduling. If you need a bit of extra help this week, message me. Simple, friendly, helpful. This works because people feel overwhelmed, and offering simple help solves a real pain point. Day 10. Soft launch your digital products. Upload your first 3 templates to Shopee, Etsy, or Gumroad. Set simple prices, 80 to 150 pesos. Add problem-solving keywords in titles like Printable Weekly Planner to reduce stress, Budget Tracker for low-salary earners, Meal Planner for busy moms. Remember, people don't buy digital products. They buy relief from stress. Day 11 to 12. Message small business owners. This is for your story-based freelancing offer. Message 20 small shops. Say this: "Hi, practicing writing brand captions and product stories. If you'd like, I can help you write 5 captions for free so you can see my style." Why this works? Because many business owners are tired, overwhelmed, and hate writing. Day 13 to 14. Deliver your first 3 mini projects. Do them well. Show up fast. Over-communicate. Be consistent. Week 2 complete. And you now have visibility, offers, and potential first customers. Welcome to the dreaded week for most people. Week 3. Confidence Week. These are classic pain points that stop beginners. No confidence to earn online. Scared to start a side hustle. I want extra income, but I'm exhausted. I feel overwhelmed by side hustle ideas. But here's what you need to remember. Confidence isn't a requirement. Confidence is a result of doing small tasks consistently. Day 15. Get your first review. Ask your first micro-help or writing client. May I ask for a short 1 to 2 sentence feedback I can show other clients? Even one good review boosts your confidence massively. Day 16 to 17. Optimize your offer page. Add screenshots of your samples, 1 to 2 testimonials, clear pricing, a promise like 24-hour turnaround. These changes make you look legitimate and eliminate the pain point of "I don't know where to start." Day 18 to 19. Upload 3 new digital products. Digital reselling thrives on variety. Examples you can create: daily to-do lists, money challenge templates, debt payoff trackers, basic student planners, productivity checklists, holiday planners. Day 20 to 21. Offer a beta package. Message 10 businesses. I'm offering a simple story-based writing package this week. 5 captions plus 1 short brand story for a beginner-friendly price. Why this works? Because businesses need emotional storytelling, and AI can't replace human emotion. Week 3 complete, and your confidence now has a foundation built on action, not theory. You made it to week 4, the most exciting week, Momentum Week. This is where your income streams shift from just starting to grow. Most people give up here. Why? Because the excitement of starting fades, and the discomfort of building begins. But not you. You're already ahead. You're already doing the work. Day 22 to 23. Turn 1 client into a monthly retainer. This is where recurring income begins. If you did micro-help or story-based writing, message your best client. Would you like me to help weekly with your tasks? I can offer a monthly package. Boom. Recurring income without tech skills. Day 24. Create a high-demand digital bundle. Bundle your 3 best templates. Bundles sell more because people want completeness, not individual pieces. Day 25 to 26. Create a simple social proof post. Post something like, I helped 3 clients this week with simple micro-help tasks. If you need support with scheduling, reminders, or organizing, message me. This attracts new clients fast because it reduces the fear of, is this legit? Day 27. Raise your prices by 10 to 20%. Micro-help increases from 200 to 250. Digital items from 80 to 99. Writing packages from 500 to 700. Small increases attract better clients. Day 28 to 29. Review what worked. Look at your results. Ask, which service felt easiest? Which one drained my energy? Which one earned the fastest? Which one I can grow in the next month? Day 30. Celebrate plus solidify your 3 income streams. You now have a micro-help income stream, a digital product shop, a story-based writing service, 3 income streams, alive, functional, and profitable. When you combine these income streams, even at beginner levels, you create something powerful, a stability triangle. Each stream supports the other. Each stream protects you when life gets messy. Each stream gives you confidence, income, and options. So let me ask you something. Which one feels the easiest for you right now? Which one can you start this week? Which one made you say, hey, I could do that? That is your starting point. If you want these income streams to work faster, here's the mindset shift. Stop underestimating what you already know. Stop undervaluing what you already do. Stop waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time is when you start. All right, before we close, let me give you one final piece of truth. Freedom doesn't come from one big opportunity. It comes from small, brave decisions you make every single day. Start today. Not next week, not next payday, not when you're ready. Your financial transformation doesn't start when you have more money. It starts when you realize you can create more money with simple steps just like these. And today, you learned exactly how to start, even as a total beginner. If you got value from this video, hit like, so the algorithm shares this with more people who need beginner-friendly ways to earn. Want a roadmap? Get the free beginner guide. 3 income streams you can build in 30 days. Just send an email to freedomyearsproject@gmail.com with the subject line, send me the 30-day guide. And before you go, tell me in the comments, what's the first income stream you want to start this week? This is the Freedom Years Project, helping you build income, confidence, and choices, one simple step at a time. See you in the next video.